Picture this. Swim first thing in the morning on Noosa's main beach, cup of coffee from Aromas, a lazy long lunch at Seasons or Sales, back here, soak in the sun, watch the world go past. Too good to be true? It is absolutely not. It is all here on offer. We've got a 1-bedroom apartment that could well be the best holiday investment property on offer in Noosa today, and it could be yours. I can't wait to show you. Come with me, we'll take a look. We'll be auctioning this property on the 16th of December, Friday afternoon, 5 p.m. at our office in Noosaville. Check the net for details. Can't wait to see you at an open home. See you soon.